In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return an item on Overstock. If you ordered something that didn't work out, don't worry. I'll walk you through the entire process from signing in to getting your return label and packaging your item properly. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Overstock website. On the homepage, look for the account option, usually at the top right. Click that, then choose Sign In. Go ahead and sign in to your account using your login credentials. If you have trouble, use the site's recovery options before moving on. Once you're signed in, open the account menu again and select Orders and Returns. This is your hub for everything related to past purchases. Here, you'll see your full order history, and you can click into any order to view its details, including items, dates, and status. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct order and the correct item. Important note, if you see an order received or similar confirmation button on that order, avoid clicking it if you plan to return the item. Leaving it unconfirmed can help keep the return option available. Next, look for the return item button next to the product you want to send back. Click it, and you'll be asked for the necessary details, typically the reason for the return, item condition, and quantity. Be accurate and specific here. It can affect eligibility and whether return shipping is free or deducted from your refund. If there's a notes field, add any helpful context. When everything looks good, click Submit Return. After submitting, you'll see an option to get label. Click that to choose how you want to receive your return shipping label. You'll receive a link with 3 convenient options. First, you can get a mobile code, which lets a carrier or drop-off location scan a barcode on your phone and print the label for you. Second, you can print the label yourself. Make sure it's full size and clear. Third, you can have the link emailed to yourself so you can print it later or forward it to a printer. Now package your return item. Use the original box and packing materials if possible, and include all accessories, manuals, and parts. Remove or cover old shipping labels. Affix the new label flat and securely, and seal every seam with strong tape. If an RMA or packing slip was provided, place it inside. As a tip, snap a quick photo of the package and label, and keep the tracking number and any drop-off receipt for your records. Then, follow the instructions provided with your label to complete the drop-off. That's it. You've initiated your return on Overstock. Keep an eye on tracking and your email for refund updates.